Hey everyone. Welcome back to Mental Heaven. Today, we're diving into a topic that quietly shapes the way we live our lives: self-esteem and negative self-talk. We all have that inner voice. Sometimes it's encouraging, but other times it can be our biggest critic. If you've ever caught yourself saying things like "I'm not good enough" or "I always mess things up," you're not alone. In this video, we'll break down what self-esteem really means, how negative self-talk impacts it, and practical ways to have healthier conversations with ourselves. By the end, you'll have tools to turn that inner critic into an inner coach. 1. Understanding self-esteem. Self-esteem is basically how you see yourself and how much you value yourself. It's not about being arrogant or perfect. It's about recognizing your worth even when you make mistakes. Think of it like a mental bank account. Every positive experience, achievement, or kind word you tell yourself adds deposits. Negative self-talk and self-doubt, they make withdrawals. Example. Let's say you give a presentation at work. If your self-esteem is healthy, you might think, "I did my best, and I can improve next time." If your self-esteem is low, your inner voice might say, "That was terrible. I'm not good at anything." The exact same event, but completely different internal dialogue. 2. The hidden power of negative self-talk. Negative self-talk is more than just a bad habit. It actually shapes your beliefs and can impact your mental health over time. It often comes in patterns. Personalizing. "It's all my fault." Overgeneralizing. "I always fail." Catastrophizing. "If I make one mistake, everything will go wrong." Example. Imagine Sarah misses a workout. Instead of saying, "I'll try again tomorrow," she says, "I'm so lazy, I can never stick to anything." That single thought can spiral into shame, avoidance, and even giving up entirely. 3. How to talk about self-esteem. Whether you're talking to yourself, a friend, or even a child about self-esteem, here are some ways to keep the conversation healthy. 1. Acknowledge feelings without judgment. Instead of, "You shouldn't feel that way," try, "I understand you feel this way, let's figure out why." 2. 3. Separate identity from actions. Saying "I failed at this task" is very different from "I'm a failure." 4. 5. Highlight strengths and effort. Focus on what went right or what effort was made, not just the outcome. 6. How to replace negative self-talk. Here's a simple 3-step method. 1. Catch it. Notice when you're being self-critical. Example. "I'm so bad at this." 2. 3. Challenge it. Ask, "Is this really true? What's the evidence?" Maybe you've actually done well before. 4. 5. Change it. Replace it with a balanced statement. Instead of, "I can't do this. This is hard, but I can learn." 6. It's not about blind positivity. It's about being realistic and kind. Real-life example. Meet David. He struggled with negative self-talk after losing his job. At first, he kept telling himself, "I'm useless." But after working on his self-esteem, he began saying, "I'm going through a tough time, but I still have skills and experience to offer." Over time, this shift helped him stay motivated, apply for jobs, and land a position he enjoys. Conclusion. Your self-esteem shapes the way you see the world, and the way the world sees you. Negative self-talk may always be there in small doses, but you have the power to control how loud it gets. Start noticing your inner voice, challenge the lies it tells, and replace them with truth and kindness. Remember, you deserve the same compassion you give to others.